What's up guys, I'm Sam from Muscle Majesty. So today's video we're going to be unboxing home gym set combo with all the essentials for your home gym. So let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to be unboxing this one. I have no idea how to unbox it. Okay. So for this one, I have just like waited, around 4 weeks for this one. Due to quarantine, Amazon can't fulfill my order. You know what? I'm not professional in this unboxing packages, but I know a little bit of it. That's it. We have finished unboxing the first layer of this thing. You can see the buff thing right over here. Okay guys, so you can see these weight plates. That's it guys. So this is it. The weight plates and many things right over here. Yeah, that's good. So first of all, we have this weight plate which is concrete filled. So this one is 3 kg. It's kind of like weighing a lot. 3 kg, and again this one is 3 kg, and that's the kg, man. But yeah, it's 3 kg. Oh, it's 2 kg. Totally 8, 9, 10. It's 2, 10, and this one is 2 kg, 12 kgs total. Now this one is 3 kg, 15 kgs, and now this one is 3 kgs, yeah. And I found that this one is, I think it's 2 kg, yeah. So totally we are having 20 kgs weight plate right over here. You can see these things. They are all, so qualified material. You can see them. I'll just unboxing later. So we have this thing, this grip bar. So it's not like too hard, okay? So it's not like too hard and it's not like too qualified. You can see it. It's easy to press. You know what? It's not that branded, but it's okay for your home gym. Next we have this. We should be fixing this one at the end, so we make sure that the weights don't fall off. And this one on my skipping rope weight, I didn't think this one would be this small, but it's okay. You can see this. So the spring right over here, you can adjust your size. If you're so short, then you can adjust your size to shorter thing. If your height, so if your height is very tall, if you're something, you can adjust. But literally my hands are too big, so I think this one, yeah, it should be correct, no problem. Yeah, and this one are the gloves, home gym gloves. You can see this. So when you're gonna wear this one at your hand, so good. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I think I should just like wear this hand or something. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, when I'm gonna wear this, first finger goes in, next ring finger. Yeah, like that, man. That's it. See that? Yeah, it's too good, man. and you just fully cover your hands, and yeah, it's pretty good actually. Should be like coming like this over baby. You see this? Has a grip right over here. Pretty good. I'm gonna be removing this one. So whenever you remove gloves, don't just do like this, and don't just remove in such a way manner it's gonna tear, okay? You just want to remove it from your fingers very slowly here. And that's it. So now next we have a pair of that one. Then what the heck is this, man? What's this? Where's the mat, man? I think it's I literally don't have any idea about this thing. What the heck? I can't just open. Oh, it's taped right over. Oh yeah, this, I think it's a dumbbell rod. Yeah, it's a dumbbell rod. Yeah, what the heck, man? It's too hot. So you can see this dumbbell rod right over here. Yeah. So you can see adjuster. So you can just take a weight and just put on this one. You can tighten it. So it's pretty big. You can see it's pretty big. It's so big for my hand. So yeah, it's nice. Next, we'll be having a bag. Oh, what the heck is this one? Oh yeah, it's a bag. It's kind of like this. So when you're kind of like going out, this bag. So where's the opening thing, man? Oh yeah, it's here. The bag you can keep. This bag is from, see that? And now this is the base material, man. This is the straight rod. So it's same, man. So first of all, you're gonna be applying the weight straight over to this one. Then here are those things. You're gonna put inside this thing. You wanna press this and just like put it that. Okay, that's it. You're gonna press it hardly, like you're gonna press it so hardly, then put it to this end and release it, and that's it. So now we have a, I don't know, I think it's, yeah, I have a separate rod which is a curl rod or a curl bar. So this one, yeah, it's pretty good. Packing is so strong. There's no knife. Where's the knife? Oh no, baby. Yeah, I see it. Oh shit. What the heck is happening right over here, dude? Yeah, that's it. I'm fine with this one. Yeah, here's the curve rod. So this one is the same too. They have given with this one a pair of these adjusters. So you wanna put this weights at the both sides. So next you wanna put this one on. I don't know what the heck should I like do this one. I should like press and then put it something like that. You should press fully. Then it's gonna go inside. See it? Yeah, like that. See that? Yeah, that's it. You wanna press it and it's gonna go fully right over here. the heck man, how do I remove this? So strong, you know. So you don't need to kind of like worry or something like that. Oh shit. See my hands right over there. It's like helling painful, man. Yeah, that's it. So, so this marble rod you're gonna be catching at this position. You can see this curve. So I'm gonna catch in this position and doing this one, and that's it. So the special thing of this one is I'm really impressed by this weight place because you know many weight plates are like qualified product, but it's like good looking weight. I just unbox this one for you and I'll just show you. Yeah, you see that? See this one? See this? So good. 3 kg. You know what is this one for? You smell, huh? Yeah, that's good. So now, so that's it for this home gym set combo one. So this bag, I like this bag a lot. You just keep your head on this bag, something like that. And you know what? If you're gonna ask me which products in this set, in this home gym set, are you know kind of like less qualified, I'm gonna show you which is high qualified or less qualified. So starting from the lowest quality. So in this gym set, this product is the lowest quality one. Okay, this product is the lowest qualified one. You can see this, it's not so tight. You can see the spring right over here, they are not so good. Yeah, this one is the low qualified product. And now, yeah, this one's too good, but you know it's not like so good. The plates, of course, they are the so good ones. And yeah, if you're gonna ask me which is the worst products in this one is the worst of this all thing. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And finally, subscribe. That's enough from me, guys. Bye.
Subscribe, guys.
Yeah, subscribe.